Let's make cake in the air fryer. I've taken 110 grams of butter. I'm gonna add 110 grams of sugar until the sugar is fully combined with the butter. Add 2 eggs. Mix it. A teaspoon of vanilla essence. 110 grams of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 2 tablespoons chopped almonds. Mix it. I love coconut in the cake, so I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of coconut as well. This is optional. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. Now mix everything. The batter is ready. Now take a cake loaf tin. This fits in my air fryer basket. Taking some soft butter, and I'm gonna brush it all around the cake loaf tin. Now I've sliced some almonds in half. So I'm gonna place these almonds on the base. Now pour the cake mix. Gently spread it. Take your air fryer basket. Put the cake in the air fryer. This is gonna go in the air fryer 150 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. It's been 35 minutes. The cake is done.